Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skiller.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skiller. You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skiller.
No, them just fire 2 shots in our ear. Not broad daylight in my teeth.
What you mean by broad daylight? Stuff out there,
See man phone they will take our time. Catch him quickly. Catch him quickly. What? Yeah, but the man and the police fire 2 shots.
The boy and I arrange us around there so he will taxi.
Yo, I go tell you something, yo. You see outer road there? Eh? The thing set like a tin set. I wonder if you understand what I mean by tin set. You see tin set are them something that they use do tiling. You know the type of extra hardened cement, the cement were hard and dry quick. Yeah, Jamaicans we call it tin set. So when you hear them say the thing tough out there, I know me can't stop look on the clip really. Me I tell you, you see me I say, yeah, me I tell you yo, Jano, thing tough out there yo. Well, you don't know. So for all I wanna know that Zane, you see right here so, that a half a tree. Right a zip an Irie gate the headquarters right there. So me I say, yeah, you don't know the whole thing, but you say me, yeah, how me I tell you? The thing tough. Anyways, now for all of my viewers them are really and truly, you know, want to say something or comment on this thing, you know what I mean? You don't know where to do your commenting. So I say because by now, you know a lot of we must used to YouTube. But if you're new to it, you know you have a little learning process for got you. For who say them want to contact me, please just read the words, you know, the descriptions below, read it. Look, you will see the contact info, and if you're new to my channel, just remember to click the subscribe button. You understand? And please keep your comment as polite as you can. You understand? Or if you can't, just use acronym. Alright? My name is Skiller, and that was Dancehall Skillers Entertainment. Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skiller.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.